What's up? What's up? What's up, everybody? Thank you guys for tuning in. Let's see what's going on the charts today. Hold up, watch 1 second here. Oh, you're early today. Okay. Nice. Thank you. Appreciate it. Let's see. How we doing? So far so good. I mean, haven't taken any trades. Let's put this right here. Let's see. I already marked out London high, give or take. Let me put this right here. Thank you guys for joining. Thank you guys for watching Trading with David. London high real quick is about 30,000. Shit, my bad. 30,339.50. That's your London high. And your London low marked out right here, 30,180.25. And then we have the Asia low right here at 30,166. I think that was the opening at the lowest at 6 p.m. I think that's what it was. There's also a major imbalance down here. So I'm guessing price wants to retest VWAP or all the EMAs and continue lower. This is the S&P 500 on the right here. And it looks like it's on its way down. Probably going up to retest and then continue lower maybe. I don't know. Prior day low is right here. Where's the prior day? Prior day low is down here for NQ. So if we pull the hourly, you can see that imbalance that I'm talking about. Might want to retest VWAP and then continue lower. But I know this imbalance right here at 6 p.m. that hasn't been filled is a strong magnet for price. Strong magnet for price there. So let's see how it goes today. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for the likes on TikTok. Thank you, everybody. We're live on YouTube also. So we're live on TikTok and YouTube. Let's see real quick. All right, let me slow the music down just a little bit to something else actually. All right, a little different. Good morning, my people on YouTube. Thank you for watching. If you're not on my YouTube, you should be. Let's look at the economic calendar for today, Monday, August 17. Hold up, August 17. That is right here. Let me move this over so you guys can see it. All right, nothing going on today. Nada. This week. All right, so this week we have no news on Tuesday either. Then Wednesday, looks like we have a fake FOMC. No, I'm just kidding. It's not fake, but something to look out for. Thursday, orange folder, August 20th. And that's about it. This week is pretty light. Pretty light out here. Nothing too crazy. Okay, my bad. Now this thing's gonna pop up. All right, well, anyways, whatever. As long as it doesn't slow my computer. Morning. Let's go. Ivan in the chat. Let's go. Thank you. Good morning to all of you guys. Market opens in 14 minutes. 14 minutes. Let's see what happens today, guys. What's up? What's going on TikTok? All right. Let's go. Make sure you guys go follow me and subscribe on YouTube. All right, there you go. YouTube, Trading with David 305. Go subscribe. Let me turn on some of the goals here on TikTok. So let's go. Lock in, guys. Lock in. Will I make it to 300? Let's see. All right, market opening up soon. I'm going to switch this here. All right, if it's your first time tuning into the stream, you're gonna hear a couple sound effects. Some of you already know this one. Oops, my bad. This thing's giving me like a Green Giant. All right, obviously, yeah. If you hear Green Giant, we're going to the moon. If you hear Tactical Nuke incoming! If you guys hear that one, be careful. It's going down. All right, so we got the 1 hour here. We're obviously in a downtrend. It looks like it's coming up. I'm gonna retest these EMAs here. EMA 21, EMA 200, VWAP, and we have EMA 50 right here. A little imbalance. It's filled this gap. There's massive green imbalances down here. Most likely it wants to go lower. Yeah, let's see what happens in 10 minutes when the market opens. I'm not going to trade the pre-market. I'm going to wait my 15 minutes. I broke a couple rules on Friday. I'm not proud of it, but we're still here. We're still on the way to pass the eval. We're still ahead. Lost a little drawdown, but we'll recover one by one, little by little. ATR is 20. Decent. It's not too high, not too small. So a little higher than I think Friday. Yeah, a little higher than Friday. 19 more or less. I think Friday was like 17 or 18. So yeah, just a point or two. It's not a big difference. Guys, if you have any questions, feel free to go ask me on TikTok or YouTube about anything. And I'll answer as best as I can. If you have any questions, I don't know. If you have any questions about prop firms, if you have any questions about London high, London low, Asia low, what's this imbalance, 6 o'clock. Did you guys know August 24th, they're going to start nano futures. That's 1/10 of a micro. So I think one contract will be 20 cents. So I think that's a pretty significant thing that they're going to be doing for the CME, the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. You'll probably be able to use cash, guys. Like, you could put $200 of your own cash and you could do a nano and risk 30, 40 bucks. You know what I mean? And have a good range of 100 points or 50 points. You know what I mean? Because with a micro, you'll blow a $200 if you're wrong. like two, 3 times, you're done. But with nanos, when that comes out, 20, 30 bucks, 20, 30 bucks, like, you're gonna scale slowly. But once you start, compounding, you turn those 200 to 500, 500 to 1,000. Now you can maybe do micros. You switch to micros, make some money on the micros. Then you can, or you can stay on the micros. I don't know, but you could turn with the nano futures. You could turn probably 200 bucks to 10,000 or more, depending how good you are at trading. But before with micros, it would be very difficult to flip money. You'd have to get one good lucky trade, Now you could actually let your edge play out with nano futures. That comes out August 24th, in case you're wondering. So that should be pretty cool. Make sure you guys go subscribe to my YouTube channel. Maybe I'll open up a live account just for the nano. Trade live cash capital. Right now I'm trading Lucid eval and an Apex eval that I'm about to pass the Apex one. Not too far away. Let me pull up the P&L here. So Lucid is at 51,200 and Apex is at 52,730. So what do we need left? Like 300 bucks? 300 bucks to pass this eval here. So, and obviously this one still need like $1,800. But the good thing about Lucid is that there's no real time limit. It's just either you pass it or you blow the account. Apex, in 30 days, if you don't pass the eval, they will charge you, I think it was like 30-40 bucks to continue with the account. Which, if I'm this close and I don't get to pass it, I'll pay the 30-40 bucks. I mean, I know it sucks, but I'd rather pay that towards the activation of the funded account. So that's what I'm going to shoot for. But it's not even about the money at this time. It's more about the time and effort it took to get here, So if I were to blow the account, I'd be mad, not about the money I lost, but more about the time that it took me. You don't want to blow all the work you've done. So you just got to trade smart and manage your risk accordingly. Don't over leverage. Don't do too many contracts. If you're in a trade and you're nervous, you're over leverage. You're trading too high. You should take a loss and be like, all right, whatever, I'm good. Like, it doesn't affect you. If it affects you, you're over leveraging. That's all I gotta say. And I'm guilty of it. Don't get me wrong, guys. I'm guilty of over leveraging. I'm not the first. Sometimes you gotta risk it for the biscuit. Okay, we got our 5-minute alarm. Market opens in 5 minutes. 5 minutes, guys. Let's see. Let me look at the other time frames real quick. Okay. Got the 4-hour. This is interesting. Which way will it go? We are under VWAP, but will it get above VWAP or will it go lower and fill this imbalance? That's what I'm wondering. What it's gonna do. We're gonna wait till the market shows us. We're not gonna get FOMO. So here we go. Sorry. We're not gonna get FOMO, guys. Just hang in there. We're almost there. We still got 3 minutes and 42 seconds. All right, here we go, guys. Here we go. 3 minutes. 3 minutos. All right. ATR is currently 18, so it's going down, but it's probably going to skyrocket now. So it's a decent ATR right now. So I might just copy trade, hit the copy trader right here, and copy this account with the Apex account. Might do 1 micro. We'll see. Yeah. Let's see how it goes, guys. Last week was rough. Last week was rough. Just a rough week overall. I took thank God I took some days off. I took which day was it? Wednesday? I think it was day of the CPI. I took that day off. Thank God. It was chop from what I saw. And I was like, oh, I'm so glad I did not trade today. And I know a lot of people got cooked last week. Myself included. I mean, that's the first red week that I have in a long time. A red week. Like the whole week was red. Not a break even. Not good. But overall in the month, we're still up. We're still up on the month. Not a lot, but we're up. Let's see. We just got to do good this week. If not, we're in trouble. Hopefully the market doesn't completely fake me out like it did last week 100 times. It's like psych. Kept psyching me out. I was like, what is happening here? The whole market is bullish, but it's going down. It was crazy. No news, nothing. It was just, I'm going down. All right, guys. What do we got left? 1 minute. Lock in. Lock in, guys. Lock in. Wait. Market's about to open, guys. Get ready. Get ready. All right. Take a look at this candle right here. I'll make it a little bigger for you guys so you can see it better. This next candle, when it opens up in 35 seconds, that's the New York Open. You're going to see a lot of speed. Ready? Get ready, guys. Get ready. The suspense. If you're in a trade, I'm sorry for you. You're about to get either rich or really poor fast. Or both. I don't know. Here we go. And we're off. All right, market's open, guys. Oh, it's pumping. Uh-oh.
Green Giant.
It's pumping. It's pumping. Uh-oh.
Green Giant.
All right, it just retested VWAP and EMA 50. Let's see if it goes higher, probably fills these and then goes lower, or is it going to continue to rip to London high? Look at the 1 hour right over here. Let's see. All right, we're getting a reaction. It's getting pushed. It's getting pushed. Uh-oh. Hang on for dear life here. Hang on for dear life, guys. Here we go. Market's open. Lock in, guys. Lock in. Okay. I thought it was going to reverse and go down, but nope. Just went down, got more speed, and now it's continued to pump. Let's look at this a little better, because right there we go. We got a pump. Yeah, we'll see if it goes higher. What's S&P 500 doing here? it pumped, but it hasn't filled this gap. Maybe it wants to go a little higher. I don't know yet. I don't know yet, guys. Let's see what happens. Gotta stay patient, guys. Gotta stay patient. Sometimes it's like watching paint dry, guys. But yeah, I mean, you gotta be patient. We're gonna wait for the first 15 minutes of the market to figure out, you know, the overall direction it wants to go in, and then we're gonna try to ride that wave. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna stay patient. Oh, you've been swing trading. All right. How's that working out for you? Man. Yeah, no, I can't swing trade, man. I don't have the patience for that. Woo! This thing is dumping now. This thing is dumping. Uh-oh. Is it gonna flip?
Tactical nuke incoming!
So obviously we have the swing low, London low, Asia low, and then this whole imbalance. So I wouldn't doubt this thing wants to literally fill this gap here. At least fill this imbalance. Oh, wow. It acted like it was gonna go down, and it completely went the opposite. It just went psych. I'm going back up. Not going down, going up. It's just like, what is happening? It's a whipsaw. It's a whipsaw, guys. This is crazy right now. Thank you for coming back. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Let's look at the daily real quick. What's the daily look like? Ooh, this looks like it took out a swing high. It's either gonna pump or come fill this daily imbalance here. I think it might go lower, guys. We'll see. We'll see. Oh, it's flipping back. It's flipping back. It's flipping back down. So I think it's gonna come for this. I think it's coming for this, guys. But I'm not taking any trades right now. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna stay patient. Whoa, that opened up aggressive. Just opened and went straight down. Okay. Yeah, this thing is going like a bearish pin bar. It's a bearish pin bar to the downside. So a lot of selling pressure, a lot of rejection off VWAP on EMA 50 here. Let's see what happens. Yes, sir. Patience is the key. Yes, sir. Let's see. It's, you know, it's struggling to go lower for whatever reason. It's like right at this double bottom. But there is this imbalance here that I know it wants to fill, but it's just taking its time with these doji. The first, right? Well, this one's about to. It's a doji. I'm sorry. It's a doji on the 15-minute time frame, the previous candle. And this one looks like it's about to close as a doji. So that means it's very, very undecided at the moment if it wants to go higher or lower. So we're just going to stay patient here, guys. We're not going to chase this, even if it starts dumping really fast down or really fast up or whatever. We're going to wait. We're going to wait. We're not going to chase. All right? Sit on your hands. Sit on them. And we will try to catch something here today. Let's go. This thing went psych, hammer, and now it's going straight up like a green giant. This is crazy.
Green giant.
Like a green giant to the upside. What is happening? Imagine the guy who went short here and he's getting squeezed. He's getting killed right now. He's like, why is this pulling back so hard? Actually, it's not that hard. ATR, the average trading range, or true range, whatever you want to call it, is about 23 on the 5-minute time frame. 23, 24 points. So the average movement is about 24, 25 points, give or take. Let's see, guys. Let's see what happens. Just hang tight, guys. Hang tight. Oh, man. Is it going to go lower now? I think overall wants to go down. Just because of these imbalances on the 1 hour here. I think it wants to fill these. And it wants to tap London low, which, whatever. It's close enough. It's around there. Feel free to go subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Trading with David 305. You'll see me on YouTube. I'm live Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. Lock in with me. I'll put it here in the chat on TikTok. Trading with David 305. Subscribe. Boom. Let's go. I'm at 157 subscribers. Can I make it to 200? Oh, this thing's flipping. It looks like it's flipping. There it goes. Going for that London low. It's going to take it. The Asia low and the gap. Oof. There it is. Let's go. What's up, Pink Dot? Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Make sure you hit that like button, guys, so I can grow the channel. All right, so it just snapped and hit that swing low. I think it's gonna go lower, guys. I think it wants to fill this gap here. Again, if you want to take quick scalps of this, that's up to you. There's a strong possibility it's gonna fill this. It's just very erratic right now since the market opened, so there could be a lot of whipsaws. So just be careful if you do want to scalp that. But there it goes. It's going down. Oh, it's gonna take out that Asia low. Oh, so close. There it goes. Took it out. Just filled it. We got that imbalance right here and the pivot point. There it goes. It's going on that 1 hour. It is tactical nuking. That is for sure right now. Now it's definitely, it's dumping now. Oh, wow. I thought it was going to go lower. It just snapped.
Tactical nuke incoming!
There it goes. This looks really nice for the price to go there. Really nice, but just be careful because it did hit a swing low. So it might do a little pop up, then go down. It's just really annoying. It didn't go lower than this bottom wick here, so there's going to be a pop up here. Super annoying if you do try to take these shorts, man. You got to take these shorts as soon as it taps VWAP. Dude, taps VWAP and then just have a little bit of wiggle room there, and just, it's just tough to know sometimes. Sometimes you'll be right at VWAP and wrong at VWAP. So I like to just wait to see how it reacts at VWAP. You took the scalp. Let's go, Lauren. Lauren is shooting quick out here. Lauren with that trigger finger. She's like Wild Wild West. She's not the one to play with. Let's go. All right, come on. It's doing its little pop, obviously, because it hit this London low. All right. Will it get up here? I don't know. I think this is a protected high right now because of VWAP and all the EMAs. So just got to hold on. If it goes all the way right back up here, then I don't know what to tell you guys. I love a short. 200 on 2 accounts. Let's go. Nice. Nice. Yeah, this is a big magnet. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. So right now, anybody who took that short right there is like, I'm getting cooked. Another reason why I just like to let the market like play out. So in about 3 minutes, we'll set the 15-minute orb, which looks like I'm gonna set it a little early, guys, and we'll adjust it. We'll adjust it. All right, so I'm gonna go top right here to the bottom, which is right here. And we'll zoom in here so you can see it better. So that's your 935 candle, top of that wick because it wasn't low. And then this is your 940. It was lower than this one. This one, we're still waiting for this one. If it goes lower, we'll change the orb. If it goes higher, we'll change the orb. But right now, it's in the middle of the current range. I'm gonna set it on ES also. Let me level that for you guys there. We're gonna get the rectangle tool. We're gonna go 935, top of this wick right here, and the lowest point there. Hold on, which one was lower? I think it's almost exactly the same, no? That's crazy. Okay. Let's see if it goes higher or lower. I might have to fix it in a second. All right, let's see what happens. How's this going? Yeah, we're still there. Oh, it's gonna fight against these EMAs again. It's a giant doji, guys. A giant doji on the 15-minute currently, and I believe it's in the same 15-minute range of Friday, if I'm not crazy. Yeah, I think it's in the same 15-minute range of Friday, if I'm not crazy. This is crazy right now. Wait a minute. Is that right? It's a strong possibility. Hold up. Yeah. August 14th was Friday. That's their range. It's inside the range of Friday right now. That is crazy. I just noticed that. I don't know if anybody else noticed that, but it's in that range. So that's an additional confluence. So if it breaks out of that range and out of the range it just created, it wants to get out of that range, you know? All right, we got 10 seconds till this 15-minute orb is set. If it goes lower, we're going to change it here. If it goes lower here, we're going to change it there. So let me just level that. All right, no, it didn't make a lower low or anything. So we're just going to wait, guys. Let's see what it wants to do here. We got a wick up, rejections. A lot of rejections here. If we get a break to the downside, guys, I don't mind taking that short there. And ATR is currently 29.30 pretty much on the 5-minute. I'm gonna do 1 micro, copy two accounts. How about that? How about them apples? We're gonna copy with 1 micro, 2 accounts. All right. Uh-oh. This thing's going down. What's ES doing? Uh-oh. 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 We're getting a dump. We got to wait for the break and close, all right? We're not going to just go on the wick of it breaking out. That's what I do. I wait for it closes under. Might be a little late, but it works out a little better for my back testing, all right? Works out a better when it closes outside of the range. It might retest it and then continue, but usually works out a little better. Looks a little choppy right there, right? So yeah, 15-minute was pretty choppy. It was almost a doji. All right, we're getting a breakout on ES, which is the S&P 500. And we have EMA 50 right here, guys, so just be aware of that. We also have this imbalance, so I wouldn't... We have all this going on here. Hold on. EMA 50 on the 1 hour is at 150. 150 is about right here. So just careful with that level right there. We got to be careful with that 150 level. That's right here. I'm going to make a little line at 150. Just be careful with that level right there. I feel like if it taps that, it's going to shoot. It's going to pop up and then continue. Just because we have that pivot point, the end of the... Yeah, like that 150 level. When it taps that, there might be a reaction up. Just be careful right here at this line. We'll see. It hasn't broken out on... It wicked out, but it didn't break. It didn't break out. Let's see what happens here, guys. Looks like a little choppy, man. It looks a little choppy. Let me look at the 4 hour real quick. See how that looks. Yeah, there's still the imbalance there. So I know overall it wants to definitely come fill these gaps. It's just, will it do it now? That's the question. Will this go lower now? I think it will. We're under VWAP. There's many reasons for it to keep going down. If I get a slight break and close right here, I'm taking that short. I'm just saying. Let's go. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe. Go follow my YouTube channel, Trading with David 305. We're live Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. Trading the charts, giving you the strategy, giving you the sauce. Any information you have, you could always ask me. I'm right here. I don't have 10,000 followers yet, so I'll be able to respond to you if you ask me. Been doing this for 3 years, thousands of dollars in payouts. I'm just giving free knowledge away. Let's go. Trying to build a little trading community. Free. Everything is free. Subscribe for free. All right. So there it is. Trading with David 305. I put the link. Go to YouTube. YouTube. About 157 subscribers right now. So let's go. It didn't break out, guys. We got no breakout. It was a wick out to the downside, but let's see how it reacts at VWAP again. Maybe it breaks to the upside. We'll see what happens here. Just got to keep an eye on this. We're getting a little pump here. Come on, NASDAQ, figure it out. I don't want to be here all day. I want to get my money and get out of here. Give me my money. I'm out. Give me my money. I'm out. I'm just looking at all the time frames. See how it's reacting here. This is ES. Let's see if it fills this or if it wants to go lower here at VWAP again. Every time it's tapped VWAP, it gets pushed down, but it's losing its strength, I think. I don't know. We'll see. Look at this pop up, man. You think it's going to fill this shit here, and it just does this retarded pop, but obviously it hit this swing low, London low, so I get this pop, but we need a flush, man. This is crazy right now. Luckily, I'm not in any trade and I'm just waiting for it to break out, because that's the strategy. We wait for a breakout, guys. We wait for a breakout and a closure outside the orb. It's tested by me over 5 years. It has about a 70% win rate, guys. A 70% win rate. So that gives you an edge. That means it loses 30% of the time, guys. That's what I've back tested for 5 years. Now, if you do more than 5 years, it might change that, but that was good enough for me, and it's worked for me. Oh gosh, come on, NASDAQ, figure it out. What are you doing? What are you doing? All right, hang tight, guys. I'm telling you, sometimes you just got to be patient. I know you want to take scalps or whatever, but I mean, I would just relax. You want to catch the biggest wave in here, not catch these little baby waves. Then when the big wave comes, you missed out. You made $20 when you could have made 200. You know, just relax, take it easy. Oh, guys, I know the struggle is real. Let's look at ES real quick just to see where that is. Hey, don't slow down on me. All right. Oh. Come on, NASDAQ. Figure it out. Come on, NASDAQ. Figure it out. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Oh man. Please don't be choppy today, man. What is it's just gonna hang out in the middle of this range all damn day? Come on. Don't do this, NASDAQ. Don't do this to me. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. Appreciate the likes. Appreciate the follows on TikTok. Appreciate you guys for watching. We're just waiting to see if we get a breakout here. See what kind of reaction we get at VWAP. If it's going to keep pumping up. Is it going to go lower? ES is dumping while NQ is pumping. We got a divergence here. A decoupling. What it's called. This thing might want to go up because if you look at the 4-hour time frame, guys, it completely rejected to go lower at this moment, which is kind of strange because it didn't fill the imbalance from 6 p.m. open, which is right here. So weird. It literally got here and it went all the way back up here. I mean, not saying that it can't come all the way down fast. That could definitely happen. It's just so weird that it got right here, took this swing low. It didn't continue tapping here and then go higher. But I guess, I don't know. Look, now it might want to go down. It might want to go down now. All right. It retested VWAP. It's at VWAP right now. It kind of retested VWAP on the 1 hour. ES is rejecting. You got VWAP right here on ES. It's got an overall downtrend on the 5-minute time frame on ES. So it feels like it wants to go lower there. I mean, like I said, there's an imbalance here. It didn't fill it and it went up. So I don't know if that was just a bunch of buyers at the bottom of London low here. That's all I can think of. We'll see what happens. It's kind of choppy. And look, it didn't break out. I thought it was going to break out to the downside on ES, and it didn't. It just stopped right at the double bottom. For right now, I mean, it could dump, but what are you guys thinking, guys? Tell me what you're thinking. Tell me what you're thinking. You think it's going up or it's going down? You guys think it's going to just bounce off VWAP to the upside? My concern if it pops to the upside is that we got VWAP on ES also. So I need to see it rip through VWAP on ES also for me to feel very confident about the long. But man, this is a really tricky market right now. It's kind of going sideways in this range, this 15-minute range. Might need to wait for this 10 a.m. candle to get the pop. Might need to wait for the 10 a.m. candle. Oh, so sorry. Yawned in your ear. Looking for a bounce to the upside. Really? Oh no. Oh no. I hate when you say things like that, man, because now I'm looking for shorts. I don't know what it is. I don't know. No, I don't know. Let's see. Maybe it is a bounce. Maybe it is a bounce. I don't know. We're going to react to what we see, not what we're feeling. We're going to react to what we see, not what we feel. I don't know. I don't know what's going on here. Is it just going to chop in between all the EMAs, or is it going to reverse and dump? Okay, it's flushing. Is it? If it breaks under this wick here, it might be going lower. It might be going lower. And is it going to tap it? I got this crosshairs here so you guys can see. I think if it goes under this wick here, it might want to reverse and go lower. This is just a pullback from hitting the London low, but it still has this big magnet of price imbalance that it wants to rebalance. There was absolutely no sellers that could get there, so sellers want that price range to rebalance that. So I see possibility of shorts depending on how these candles close, but 10 a.m. candle might rip straight down or straight up, so just be careful here, guys. Let's see what happens. Okay, there it is. All right, let me get this out the way. That was a little weak. that dump was a little weak. It did not. Oh, look at it. It's reversing. It did not close under this wick here. So if I don't see anything tapping under this wick, it might want to go higher. I don't know. Or it might just chop here, guys. It might just be in a range. Just might be in a range and everybody gets cooked. I don't know. Well, this is the new 1 hour candle. We see the 1 hour candle opened up right here. We're right at VWAP. Right at VWAP on the 1 hour. So let's see. Let's see what happens. Uh-oh. Is it going down? Is it going to go? Oh, is it going to go? Look at the 1 hour here. All right, so if it could get under this wick, it might get under the next one. Okay, and will it do it? Will it do it? Boom. Okay. Next wick is right here. Boom. Okay. This thing might want to go lower, guys. This thing might want to go lower. It's flipping. It might want to fill this imbalance here. A little pullback and then not a little pullback, big pullback, but the 4 hour time frame. Looks like it wants to get the bottom of this wick here, which is all the way down here. If this thing just does this and goes straight up, that will suck. Well, there has to be some sort of little pop here just because it did take out these lows. Let's see. This is very, very tricky, guys. Very tricky. And I'm trying to wait for the right moment to take the trade and not get cooked. Oh, look at this. Look at this. It's getting bought up. Completely bought up. Is it going to turn into a bullish pin bar? It's just hanging out at VWAP right now, man. Oh my gosh. For it to go lower, guys, you want to see this candle close strongly red. And then there's a strong possibility it'll go lower. So we got 2 minutes and 20 seconds. If this candle closes red, pushing down. Oh, wow. This could be... Oh, it broke out on ES. I'm sorry. I was like, you know, if this is going down, ES is probably breaking out. So ES broke out. It did like a little retest. Yeah, this might be going lower, guys. Especially if it broke out on ES. It's another confluence that wants to go down. Red candle on the 4-hour, 15-minute, looking bearish, guys. Looking very bearish. This thing is dumping on ES. And dumping on the 1-hour. Oh Lord, this thing is going down. The struggle is real. I think if this candle closes strongly red like this, it could be a short, guys. It could be a short. Since it's not breaking out, I might take this short. You took the short? I thought you said it was gonna pop to waiting for the bounce for the upside. What happened to that? Now you took the short. All right, so we got 50 seconds on this candle. It's gonna pop right back up? No way. This is super tricky, guys. I don't know. I don't know, guys. Is this gonna flip? I'm gonna cry if it does. I'm gonna just stay patient, guys. I'm gonna wait until this thing decides it wants to break in a particular direction. I mean, ES broke to the downside, but look at this nasty wick up. That's not good. We'll wait for another break to the downside. Oh, that's indecision on ES. I'm gonna wait, guys. I'm just gonna wait and try to stay patient here. But I mean, it does look like it wants to go lower, guys. It's just, you got to give it enough wiggle room. Look at that. Yeah, there it goes. You got to give it wiggle room. There it goes. There it goes. Looked a little tricky there for a second. I thought it was gonna go psych. Rip all the way back up. I don't know. Maybe it is. But right now it looks bearish. It looks like it wants to close outside the range here. If it closes down and this closes down again, yeah. Man, I wish it would close under the orb. It's just right in the middle of it. Oh, man. Let's see what happens here, guys. Thank you guys for the likes. Thank you guys for the follows on TikTok. I appreciate you guys. You lost 50 bucks on crypto. Well, don't trade crypto, bro. I'm sorry. Don't do it. Abort. Abort mission. Trade the NASDAQ. I'm not saying you'll make money, but you could always lose money. So be prepared for that. All right, well, this thing looks bearish. Man, I really want to take this short, even if it doesn't break, but I don't want to get double bottomed and then this thing pops up on me. Oh, what a stretch. Nice. Come on, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Dump it. See what the 1 hour is looking like. Yeah, this thing looks like it wants to hit the swing, but it's just these little pops up that are just murdering people. Look, see that little pop right there? That's just nasty. So we took out the low, took out the lows, closed under this wick, so that was good. I don't know if I'm taking too long here, but let's see. We got 2 minutes on this candle. Oh wow, this thing is really flushing, man. It's going for that orb break, and it's definitely going for this imbalance down here. I just don't want to miss that move. If it fills that imbalance, oh fuck. Oh, come on. Oh, this is the key moment. Let's see if it pops up or if it continues to flush lower. I think I might just take this short. Oh my god, don't do it. Don't do it yet. Don't do it yet. Don't do it yet. Don't do it yet. Give me. Oh, it's too much. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. Fuck. Well, hopefully one of you guys took these shorts. It's going for that fill. It was going for that short, man. I should have taken it here, but I was hesitant just because I want to wait for the damn breakout. I want to wait for the damn breakout to the downside. But it might continue flat. I just don't want to get popped up. I don't know. Super hesitant since I've taken like 2-3 losses. Oh, man. Took this for y'all. No worries. I appreciate it. Well, good thing you listened to me. It took the short and not the long, bro. The long would have been really bad. Now look at this. This shit is wicking all the way right back up. Shit. That's not nice. All right, so we took out that swing low. If we could get a push and a close under this candle here, might want to go lower. I just don't know exactly. It did fill some of that gap. I think it wants to go lower, but oh my god, it just keeps wicking up. I don't like that. Oh no, I don't like that at all. I don't like that candle. I don't like that candle at all. At all. I'm just gonna wait, guys. I don't like these damn wicks, man. I really don't like them. Look at this shit. Look at this. Would you look at this? Yeah, I definitely don't want to take that short right there. If it taps VWAP and then flips red, maybe I'll take that short. But this shit's it just hit that swing low. It hit that yeah, it hit the swing low. It hit the Asia low. It taps some of that imbalance, so that's why we're getting a crazy pop here. Let's see. Let's wait for this thing to show us a better card here. Let's see. What are we looking at on the 1 hour? Look at that. It literally tapped it and ripped all the way back up. That's crazy right there. I don't know, guys. I don't know, guys. We're right back at VWAP almost. This thing might want to go to the moon now. This thing might want to go to the moon. I don't know. A little weird. It's a little weird. Oh my goodness. It's choppy, guys. I mean, it is chopped. technically, look at this. No continuation in any direction. We're going here. We're going here. We're going right back here. We're going right back here. We're going right. Like, we're in this range. And it's why I'm hesitant, because we can't get a continuation and a strong red candle closure. Like, if this red candle would have closed probably stronger red, not this wick here, and this would have closed here, would have told you it want to go. But the fluctuations are massive. ATR is 36 on the 5 minutes, so that means the range is about 40 something points. This orb, all right, give or take, it's about 100 points. So you gotta have a good risk parameter. So you got about 100 points in this range, and it's just going up and down on 100 points. So just be careful there. It's kind of like wiping everybody out. It's wiping everybody out in this 100-point range. It's like, oh, we'll just kill everybody in 100 points. 100 points up, 100 points down, 100 points up, 100 points down. And it's, if you catch the bottom and you're trading the range, then you could possibly be profitable, or you're trying to go off the rejection off VWAP. That could work out too. Let's see what happens here, guys. I'm just gonna stay patient. I'm going to stay patient. Okay, I might have to go to the bathroom real quick. How much we got on this 1 minute? 1 minute? All right, I might be back within 1 minute. Let's see. I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back. What did I miss? Absolutely nothing. Great. Good. I missed nothing. It did a psych to the upside, inversion. Now it's going right back down. Rejection of VWAP. Going more for that imbalance to the downside. So it's literally in the middle of the range of the 15-minute orb. Yeah, let's see what happens here, guys. Thank you guys for getting back and watching. Look at you guys. I appreciate it, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure you hit that like button. Go follow my YouTube channel, Trading with David 305. We're live Monday through Friday. Look at this dump here. Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. Trading the NASDAQ Futures. Micros currently. We're trading 2 evals currently. Let's see. We're going to copy trade 2 evals on this short. If this breaks out, we got ES over here. Let's see. Oh, wow. What a massive red candle. This closes red, guys. I'll take that short. If it wants to pop all the way back up again, then you know what? It is what it is. You know, what are you going to do? This thing just, you know, wants to take us out. Let it take us out. I mean, at this point, you got to risk it at some point. I made 34K in just 1 week. If you're interested, then message me. Okay, sure. Great job. With the bot? All right, guys. Is this the short? This is a strong closure here, guys. Might take this right.
Order filled.
Okay. Let's go for that imbalance. Let's go. I'm in the short, guys. Hopefully this thing doesn't chop me out, but if it does, it is what it is. I'm copy trading 2 accounts. Let's see if it goes lower. This is your 1 hour time frame. Let me pull up my other time frames here so I could get a better confluence. I didn't even pull that up. That's crazy. Taking blind trades over here. No, I'm kidding. It's not blind. Everything is pretty show. There it is. I'm in the shorts. I know I didn't wait for the breakout, but this candle right here was a complete rejection of it going up. So I figured it wants to fill this gap here. Is it going to come all the way down here? I don't know. I know that there is... Where's that blue line that I marked? Where is that shit? Didn't I mark out a blue line, or am I crazy? That I was like, oh, 150. If it hits 150... Oh, it kind of already hit 150. So it probably definitely wants to go lower. At least to fill this here. I don't know. You guys can take profits whenever you want. If you did take this short, if it goes back into the range, guys, you know what? It's obviously ranging and I lost. But I really think it's going to go lower right now. If it wants to keep ranging, then obviously I'm cooked. I'm obviously cooked. You know, it is what it is. And we're just going to have to take another loss on the chin. But I'm going to let this play out. Win or lose, whatever happens, happens. I want to see it go lower. And yeah, I'm trying to catch this momentum to the downside with this big rejection candle here engulfing this green candle and just closing strongly red. It looks very strong on the 15-minute time frame. Also to the downside. I just hope it doesn't do like some double bottom bullshit and bounce, and it just continues to finally go lower, because I know it wants to go at least up to here. Come on, at least fill this shit, you know. And this is all the way at 126. Damn, I'm asking for a lot of points. The ATR is 37. Will I even get 50? What's ATR? ATR is 37, guys. Wow, don't tell me it double bottomed right here. It didn't even go lower? No way. That's crazy. Well, you guys have an opportunity to close it out now and just break even or take a little profit. I don't know. We'll see what happens here. I'm in for the win or the loss, guys. Whatever happens at this point, because you know it is what it is. We're in with 1 micro. It's not much. We are copy trading 2 accounts. Let's see if we could make a little something today. We've been getting cooked last week nonstop. It was like win, lose, win, lose. Yeah. Yeah. Come on, NASDAQ. Dump it. Let's dump it. Come on, guys. I'm in the shorts. Let's dump it. Straight down to the bottom.
Tactical nuke incoming!
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Dump it. Dump it. Dump it. Come on. Break out of the orb. Break out of the orb. Do it now. Break out of orb. We're on. Let's pull up ES. ES is dumping. There we go. Let's go. We're getting confluences from all different direction, guys. Come on, dump it. Oh, wow. It went down here and then it popped right back up. As soon as it tapped a little more of the imbalance. Did it fill the whole imbalance? No, there's still a little piece there. There's still a little piece. What are you doing? You're not done. There's still a little piece right here. Oh no, don't close as a doji like that. That's not a good closure. Oh no. Oh, this thing is really making it difficult, let me tell you. They're really making, and we have a damn pivot point right here. So hopefully this shit does not make it bounce and it just rips right through that pivot point. Oh gosh. What are we gonna do here? Is it gonna go lower? Is it gonna rip me apart? Let's go. We're doing a 1-to-1 here. We're doing a 1-to-1. Will I get 120 or would I lose 120? Let's see. I also have an auto trail at around 40 points. So it'll move to break even once it gets to like 40 points in profit. Now the ATR currently is 36.39 on my screen. Could be about 37 on yours, whatever, on the 5-minute time frame. We are right there. Longing this? Oh no. Yeah, no, that gives me more confirmation. If you say longing, it's going lower. Yeah, no, this wants to go down, guys. You want to follow the trend and follow the momentum. You don't look for reversals. Don't look for the reversals. Look for the wave and which way the overall direction wants to go. Look at the higher time frames. Yeah, that's your best option. 4-hour time frame looks like it is bearish. Can we go a little lower? Come on, let's flush this. Let's flush this. Stop playing around. Man, it's super choppy, man. This is pure chop, guys. Like, it should have flushed here for real. Yeah, whatever. We'll see what happens. This is just choppy, man. What is this? Okay. Come on, dump it. Let's go. Flush it. Flush it down the drain. Down the drain. Let's go. Come on, price just needs to die. Just straight down. It needs to die. Price needs to go down. Oh, the struggle on this market today is horrible.
1 hour later.
Just going sideways. Just going sideways. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Sell it. Sell off. Let's go on a sell off. Let's go on a sell off. Dump to the market. Dump it. Dump it. Dump all your stocks, guys. Sell everything. Sell it all. Let's get it done. All right. Let's see what happens here, guys. Just gonna chop around here. Come on, dump it. We're just gonna hang out. Just hanging out here, guys. 1-to-1 ratio here. 1-to-1, guys. Let's see. Can I get 50 points? If it gets to 40, we'll move to break even. If it wants to chop me out, then obviously it's a chop day and whatever. If it takes me out, it takes me out. We're copy trading 2 accounts. Let's see. This thing better not freaking reverse and go all the way to the moon now. Come on. Come on, NASDAQ. What are you doing? Just go lower. Stop chopping, dude. Stop chopping. That's not good. That's not good. That's not good. Okay. Well, I guess we got, if it takes us out, we got chopped out. That's all I can say, you know. If it takes us out, we got chopped, and it is what it is. I gave it enough wiggle room to play out in our direction, but if it doesn't want to go lower, it doesn't want to go lower, you know. It is what it is. Let's see what happens, guys. They keep buying it up. I don't know. Let's go. Trading with David 305. Lock in, guys. Go follow my YouTube channel. Trading with David 305. I got about 157 subscribers. Let's see, guys. Let's see. No, this is not going lower. This is chopping. It's a chop market. If you can see this chop here on the 1 hour, we're getting chopped. We're getting chopped. This is not good. This should continue going lower, but it's doing this BS right now. Oh my goodness gracious. It is what it is, guys. If it just reverses, it's a chop market. Do 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 do. We got this, no continuation, and right here it's just consolidating now. It did fill a lot of it, but it didn't fill the whole thing, which I figured it wanted to go at least a little lower, but I guess not. I don't know. Maybe it does. Maybe it doesn't. We'll find out. Just keep watching. Thank you for the follow. Rarely seen. Thank you. Appreciate it. Everybody that's following and watching on TikTok. Trading with David 305. Let's go. We're at what, 264 followers on the TikTok. The goal is 300, so we're getting there. You know, slowly but surely we'll get there. Feel free to go subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you know, hit the follow here, go to YouTube, log into your account, Trading with David 305. I should be the only one. I should be the only one there. All right. This is the, I'll pin it right here in the comments. Come on, flush it. Go down. What are you doing? What are you doing, NASDAQ? Just killing everybody here. I'm gonna have to start moving to break even really fast moving forward, because this chop is real, man. I'm getting chopped up in every market. What a bad one. What a bad one, dude. Like, I don't get it. Honestly, don't. What is happening right now? What is down here that's so bullish? I get it, the imbalance, but at least fill the imbalance, you know? I don't know. All right, well, not looking good for us. Not looking good for us yet. At least 15-minute orb happening. Yeah, I mean, 15-minute orb happening. That's why I longed. You longed? You're going up against me? Market don't like that. 15-minute orb. It hasn't gone up or down. It hasn't broken. Hasn't broken anywhere really. I took this prematurely just because this red expansion to the downside with force kind of showed me I wanted to go lower. It did, and then all of a sudden it's getting this pop. Okay, sorry. So, I mean, higher time frames are bearish. 4-hour time frame, as you can see, this is a bearish move here on the 1 hour. It should want to continue going lower, not higher right now, but if it goes higher, then we're obviously in a range. We're obviously chopping, and I'm probably gonna lose. But if I'm right about the trend, which is my friend, right? Most of the time, it should go lower. It should hit TP. I should give it enough. I gave it enough wiggle room from this dip down. It has about 50-60 points of wiggle room to play out in my direction. If it doesn't, then it doesn't, you know, and it just means it's a range market and it's not a momentum trend market. That's all it means. I'm not a range trader, I'm a momentum trader, so if it wants to range, I'm probably gonna get cooked. If it wants to go with the momentum, it's gonna work out in my favor, but we'll see. Usually momentum works better than ranging. Well, you guys had chances. I did give you guys chances. Close it out there, close it out here, close it out here, close it out here. Like, there was multiple chances you guys could close it out. I don't know. I might just take a break-even trade today and close it out. I don't know if it even gets there, or it might be a complete stop loss. Yeah, it looks, the way it looks is every time it goes down, it pops right back up again. So that's not looking good for me. even with just one micro in there. Failed to break under this. We have an imbalance here, a very, very small imbalance on the 5 minute. If you could see it from this candle to this candle, there's a small little gap. Let's see what happens here, guys. Is it gonna rip to the upside or is it gonna go lower? Is it trying to trap people going long? I mean, I just feel like it wants to go lower. Like, I don't know. Maybe I'm crazy. Rip to the downside. Let's go. Black Wall Street. Let's go. Let's rip it. Rip it. Flush it. Flush it down. But if it doesn't rip to the downside, it's simple. You're an SPX. So similar to SPX is ES over here. MES. And that's going down. So if NQ could just follow, that would be great. But they're doing the opposite right now. As you can see, ES is on its way down. Can NQ follow ES or SPX? Let's go. 7886. 7886. Well, you're entered at 7886. Holy shit. You're way up there. That's a beautiful short, man. Let's go. Let's go. Still holding. Diamond hands, dude. Diamond hands. Okay, I like this candle here. I like that. Let's continue to get this nice little trend down on the 5 minutes. Like boink, boink. Not making higher highs. Higher lows or lower highs. You know what I mean. It's going down. Come on. Don't go higher than VWAP or else we're cooked. Yeah, we're scalping over here, Black Wall Street. We're scalping over here. So as soon as it hits about 40-50 points, if I can get 40-50 points, probably out the trade. Thanks for the follow. Appreciate it, man. Thank you. Make sure you go follow my YouTube channel, Trading with David 305 on YouTube. It's free. I trade Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. We trade the NASDAQ and we look at the S&P 500 over here, obviously. Oh, no. Why is it doing this? Why is it doing this? Don't do it. That's weird, man. There's such a decoupling going on because this is going up and then this is going down. Every time this one rips up, this one goes down. What in the world? So crazy. I wish they would be on the same page. I like it better. Thank you for the likes, man. I appreciate it. Appreciate everyone for the likes. Thank you. Thank you. We're trying to grow the channel. Make sure you guys go subscribe to my YouTube, Trading with David 305. I might get cooked on this trade. I don't know. This is just not cooperating. It's not cooperating with me. It's doing whatever it wants. It's not very I don't know. Let's just let it play out, guys. Obviously, I took the short here, guys. I didn't wait for the breakout, which, again, hopefully it doesn't make me pay for it. But rejection off VWAP, rejection off EMA 21, constant rejections, huge engulfing red candle to the downside with a displacement. I took the short here. It did go into profit pretty good. We got a bounce off the pivot point. I figured, okay, we got a little bounce, but it wants to continue going lower. Now it's kind of chopping to the upside. It is at EMA 21. Hopefully it could just stay below that and continue to flush. That'd be great. Market's just going very, very sideways, very rangy today. We'll see what happens. I might close out the trade early if it gets into profit, maybe $1, man, because this is really, or it'll just stop me out. Never mind. Or it will just stop me out at $120 on 2 accounts, and then we're starting off the week very backwards. But you gotta accept the risk, guys. That's why I only did 1 micro. You know, I wasn't too crazy about the trade since I noticed it is ranging in here. I was like, okay, it's doing it. This right here is crazy. So I don't know. Honestly, don't know what to tell you guys. This wants to range and take me out, then whatever. I don't want to trade anymore for the rest of the day. Thank you for the follow, Namarata. Yeah, I think I said that right. It's going down, shaking people out. Okay, yeah, it's squeezing those longs. It's just whipsawing everybody. Hopefully it doesn't whipsaw me. Hopefully it doesn't whipsaw me out of the trade. I'm trying to get my stop is kind of semi-protected, not very protected, but we got the top here. We got VWAP. We got EMA 50. We had EMA 21, EMA 200. So there's a lot of things kind of like the trend is going down on ES. This is bearish. It is showing. Let me look at the 15 real quick. Oh no. Don't do no more pops. No more pops. Go down. Just go down, please. Oh, I see. I marked it here on the 15-minute time frame. I thought I marked it on this side. Are we stuck in chop, guys? Are we stuck in chop? Yeah, the trend all over is all down. Yes, you're absolutely right. And that's another reason why, you know, I have so many confluences telling me short. You know, I could be right about you know, which way it's going to go. The thing is, will I manage to not get stopped out? Will I manage to not get stopped out of the trade and then it going in the overall direction, which is down? Because of these random ass pops. Since I am a scalper, you know. Let's see what happens, guys. Ugh. Make sure to go follow my YouTube channel, guys. Go to your YouTube account and go follow Trading with David 305. In case you ever miss me here on TikTok, you could go back and watch all the videos I have on YouTube of me live trading. You can see my strategy, what I look for. I was on a 21-day win streak. Last week just cooked me. Not completely, but we did lose and messed up my win streak. But last week was super choppy. CPI, I think a bunch of shit happened. But yeah, guys. I do win about 70% of the time. Sorry about that. Oh my god, this thing might want to flip and just now finally want to rip to the moon, because of course David's in a short. Let's squeeze the shit out of him. This is some bull. This is some bull. Not looking good, guys. This thing now wants to flip up. Yeah, if I take this loss, I'm done. Yeah, for real, man. Some serious. Look at this bullshit, man. Well, there's nothing else I could do about it, you know what I mean? Just watch it literally either stop me out or take profit, but it's not looking good. If this VWAP doesn't hold up and doesn't reject, then I'm in trouble, clearly. And I'm not moving my stop, so if it takes me out there, it takes me out, and it is what it is. Yeah, let me put my feel free to watch me on YouTube, guys, or subscribe. I mean, you don't have to watch me, you can subscribe, it's free. Help me out, help me get my channel up, man. I'm trying to get to like I'm at 157 right now. At least if I lose on the trade, at least I got a subscriber. I feel like I still won something today. Let's see how it reacts at VWAP here. What is ES doing? Retesting the bottom of orb. Hopefully it just, you know, rejects there and goes lower. Let's see what happens here, guys. Hang on for dear life. Hang on for dear life. Come on. Dump it. Dump it. Dump it. Uh-oh. Hold on. My bad, guys. I'm back. I promise. My bad. Dog started barking. I was like, what the heck is it barking at? What was I doing? Oh yeah, I was in the middle of a trade getting stopped out here. Phenomenal. Phenomenal, guys. We're just getting cooked over here. It's just squeezing everybody that's in the short. All the way up. Beautiful. We need this to flip and just flush. That'd be great. Yeah. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do, guys? Anyways, let's go. Don't do. Come on, NASDAQ. Figure it out, dude. This is crazy, dude. What a bad one. What a bad one, guys. Well, it took us out. This thing just completely ripped right back up and turned into a chop city. It is what it is. So at least go subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. It's free. Go subscribe. Oh, that's bad. Maybe I could do this. There you go. I'll put it smaller so you guys can see. Come on, go subscribe. Go help me out. Appreciate it. Before I get stopped out here. I'm gonna put it right here. Who's gonna be 158? 158. Who's gonna be 158? I'll wait. Okay. Let's go. That's a nice rejection. Nice rejection off ES here. Come on, let's get this straight flush. Straight to hell right now. Straight down, guys. Let's go.
Tactical nuke incoming!
on. Come on. Freaking dump it. Dump it. Guys, go subscribe to my YouTube channel. I promise. There's a lot of valuable information in there. Gap fill. 777. I hope so. Oh, come on. Follow ES NQ. Follow ES. I'm on NQ and Black Wall Street is on freaking SPX, aka ES, MES, whatever. Same thing. We got a nice little trend there. It's a lot cleaner. And over here, we're getting some bullshit on NQ right now. Come on. Freaking dump it, dude. What are you doing? I'm gonna start trading ES at this point because and the moment I start trading ES, then NQ gets clean. And then ES starts tripping. Let's go. Guys, get me to 158. Who's gonna be 158? Let's go. Lock in. Trading with David 305 on YouTube. Go subscribe. Help me out. Appreciate it. Thank you. Help me. Help me. All right, well, this is looking good. It's looking like a bearish pin bar here, also known as they call it a shooting star. I call it a hammer bear pin bar, whatever. Come on, nice rejection there. Let's get a continuation to the downside, please. Let's get a nice rejection off VWAP and just have this thing dump. Come on. Dump it. Man, I hope it dumps. It's dumping on ES. 15-minute time frame not looking too good right now. Let's see what happens. Hopefully we get a nice rejection here and it just flushes. Come on. No need to go higher. Guys, I'm in trouble, man. I think this thing's gonna take me out and then go lower. I think that's what it's gonna do. The struggle bus. I'll take this thing off the screen, but you guys have to, I have to get a subscriber. I'm not gonna take it off until I get a subscriber. Until at least 158. Come on. I know you're in there, Mr. 158. Go subscribe. It's free. 2 seconds. Hit the subscribe button. Oh, man. Let's go, man. Let's go. NASDAQ. Dump it. Just complete death. Can we get like some negative ass news real quick so this thing goes straight down? Let's get some straight negative news. It drops 400 points to the downside. Let's go. All right, well, it's like cool story, David. Cool story, bro. We're not doing that. Come on, who's gonna subscribe, guys? Help me get to 158. Hit Trading with David. Go on YouTube. It's on YouTube. Oh man, this is on some bullshit, dude. Look at this thing going down and this shit's going up. This is crazy right now. Oh well, guys, it looks like we're gonna get chopped out here. It is not cooperating whatsoever. Not cooperating. This is just chop market, guys. What a bad one. What a bad one. Oh no. Womp, womp, womp. Well, I guess we'll come back tomorrow and try again. Nothing else we could do here. If this takes us out, we're done. We're done if it takes us out. There it goes. Going straight for David's stop loss. Oh, man. What a bad one, guys. What a freaking bad one. This shit just went up out of nowhere. Out of nowhere. And we're done. Yep, there it is.
Order filled.
All right. Well, cooked on both accounts. Cancel. Yep, took us out. There we go. We're getting cooked, guys. We're getting cooked. Starting the week off red. What in the world is going on? Red trade. One bad one. This should just, like, I don't get it. 11 a.m. candle. About to open up now. This is on some bullshit. Look at this. Now it's a freaking bullish pin bar to the upside. Insanity. Look at this. Just squeeze everybody on this range, man. This is going to continue to range. It's clearly a range. The double bottom, like triple bottoms. What a bad one, guys. Maybe on SPX, but NQ is just now above VWAP. This is crazy. Maybe it did double top. Well, it is ranging, guys. So this thing might just pop up here and then come all the way down. Yeah, no. The overall trend on the higher time frames are bearish, but yeah, for me, I'm scalping, so it doesn't make sense if it goes past VWAP this high up, and we're in this 15-minute orb. It's just freaking. There's no clear momentum to the downside at this moment on the lower time frames. So yeah, look, it looks like it retested VWAP right there and EMA. So if it rips up, this might be going higher for a little bit. It's a freaking bullish pin bar here on the 4-hour time frame, so it should might be going all the way up here. We are right at VWAP on the 4-hour, so let's see what happens. I won't copy trade anymore, but I'll probably take another trade on the Apex account. Depending on what it looks like here. What a bad one. What a bad one. I don't know what to tell you guys. This thing is pumping now. Like, it completely rejected those lows and has ripped to the moon. Insanity. Retested EMA 200, EMA 50. Not VWAP, but yep, there goes. Look at this shit. Gotta be careful here. It is a range, guys, so you could go long here. All of a sudden it goes start going down again, and it just starts doing this. Yeah. What a grind. What a grind. What a bad one. De madre. Well, good thing it stopped me out here because it keeps going higher, right? Would have taken way more money if I would have put my stop here or here. Would have taken me out more. Getting cooked, guys. Getting cooked. Oh man. Let's see. Come on. Wow, this thing is pumping on every other time frame now, like not the super high time frames, but 4 hour, 15-minute, hourly. Yeah, it's going for this imbalance right here. It's about to finally break out of the range, and it looks like it's gonna pop to the upside, guys. From all the way down here to looking like it was gonna dip. If I would have just stayed patient and waited, yeah, insane. Well, 35 seconds. If it breaks, I'll go long on this, which it looks like it's breaking. I'll go long on the Apex account, not copy trading. Oh God, like, give me a break here. Give me a second. Give me a second. Hopefully it's not a range, and if it comes all the way back down, I'll be like, yo, what in the world? Let's go. All right, well, it's breaking out.
Order filled.
There we go. We're long. We're long. Let's see what happens here. Oh shit, I didn't put a damn I didn't put an ATM strategy because I switched it. What a fail. So whatever, I'm gonna have to manually take profit. I'm gonna sell one right here.
Order submitted.
Sell one
Order
there.
submitted.
And we'll do a sell stop.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
We're doing it manually. We're doing it manually. Let's see.
Order filled.
Whoa. Okay, one taken out. I'll move this to break even. And whatever.
Order canceled.
What? What are you talking?
Order canceled.
What the? This thing is tripping. All right. Well, it wants to take out 776. Or are you talking about ESPX? Well, I don't know, man. We'll see. We shall see what this thing wants to do, because it is just ripping now on NQ. It's a bullish pin bar, so I had to flip the short to a long on one account. Made some BS money, but got some money back. Something's better than nothing. Let's go. Yeah, I mean, it's going back up. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, man. Oh, no. It's going to come down now. It's going to come down. Yeah, probably. Well, either way, I have it at break even. So if it wants to come down and hit the break even, it could do that too. Let's see. NQ is just doing the opposite of whatever ES is doing. Like, ES is going down, then NQ is pumping. NQ starts dumping, and the other one just starts going the other way. Okay. Yeah. Break even there.
Order filled.
Okay. Well, I got a few dollars back. I got a few dollars back on there. So. Oh, let me get this out of here.
Order canceled.
All right. Now we have the ATM strategy set up again. Yeah. All right. Had to take out that equal high liquidity, probably, maybe. We'll see. We'll see now. Come on. Struggle. The struggle is real. So you think it's gonna dump now? I should take a short. I should take the short. All right, we'll take the short then.
Order filled.
We'll go short. Let's see if you're right. Let's see if you're right, buddy. If you're wrong, I'm cooked. Because that's a breakout to the upside. So this is a reversal orb strategy. Reversal orb strategy here. All right. Moment of truth. Is it going to rip or is it going to dip? I mean, overall trend is bearish, but it is bullish on the 4 hour. Let's see. Got 4 minutes on the 15-minute time frame before it breaks anything. Let's see. Here we go. Sorry, let's look at. Uh-oh, not good. Not looking good. It's like a break and a retest to the upside. We are above VWAP. So this is literally against everything on my strategy. Let's see. It was a pretty big wick. So maybe it wants to come down and retest VWAP or the EMAs. Maybe. Maybe not. Let's see. Will it reverse and dump or will it pump? Not looking good here. Not looking good so far. ATR is 33, guys. ATR is 33.40. Let's see here. Come on. Dum, dum, doo, 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 doo. Hello, hello. Thank you for joining. Thank you for watching. Trading with David 305. We're live. We're live. Live on TikTok. Live on YouTube. Feel free to go subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Feel free. It would be great. Oh, wait a minute. I got one. We're at 158. Let's go. We're at 158. 10-4. We got him. Thank you, guys. I appreciate the subscriber or whoever did it. Thank you. But yeah, we're in this short. Let's see if it finally dumps here. It failed to make a higher high, so that's a good sign. This could be a reverse orb here. I don't know how low it'll go because we have VWAPs all here, so there could be a bounce, little struggle to go lower here, but it is technically breaking back into the orb. This was a massive rejection to the upside, even though it was a breakout. So it did hit a pivot, also hit a pivot point, guys. This is a resistance pivot. You see that R1? That's a resistance pivot. Look at it, every time it's hit a pivot. Hit a pivot here, bounced. Hit a pivot here, bounced down. So that's another confluence you could use. Let's see what happens here. Can I get back at least what I lost? That would be great. On this one account. Obviously, I'm not copy trading, so. Oh, my bad. Let me move it here. Oops. Not going the right way. Wrong way, wrong way. Don't go up now. Don't go up now. Don't do it. Don't squeeze me. Come on. Let's finish at least one account green or break even. Not two. Oh, Lord. This thing is playing with us. If it breaks out of orb here, that's not a good sign. If it breaks out of the orb to the upside, that's a bad sign. Not a good sign. Yeah, they're playing way too much, man. Oh my God. Now I'm out of the trade. It's going up. Oh, you quit on me? Let's see, man. Let's see what happens. If it does break to the upside here, I mean, not good. It could just chop around. It could dump. It could pump. I mean, anything is possible. I mean, I could protect some of the P&L on this damn account if I put a stop here.
Order submitted.
I'll put a hard stop and then leave one. See if it, gives me some wiggle room. Let's see. Come on, let's get a dump here, man. Let's get a dump here. Stop playing with me. Let's get a nasty rejection candle here. You see? Look at ES. ES is pumping and Q is dumping. They're not in confluence right now, man. This is ugly. Who's gonna be 159? Come on, can we get to 160 today? Who's gonna subscribe? Let's go. Let's get to 160, guys. Let's get to 160 on my YouTube channel, Trading with David 305. Let's go. Oh, come on, just dump it. Just dump it. Thank you for the likes. Appreciate it. Let's go. Dump it. Oh no. Oh, that just nasty pump out of nowhere. What do we got? We got about 45 seconds until this candle closes. Hopefully it flips and dumps. That'd be great. How are we looking over here? Not too good. Not too good. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's not pretty. That's not pretty. This market is trash today, guys. I won't lie. Look at this. This right here is trash. This is trash. There's no actual momentum. Like, kind of right here, obviously. But still. And I took a damn reversal trade, which I don't really do. But since it is in a range, I don't hate it. Since it's doing this, you know, it's kind of ranging. But of course, the moment I think it's going to range is when it displaces or distributes in one direction. Thank you, man. Thank you, Black Wall Street. I appreciate it, man. Thank you for the subscription. I appreciate it. Is it going up now? Should I close it out here? Let's give it some more. Let's give it some more room. If it doesn't want to go higher, then whatever. But it is going up on ES, but on NQ it's kind of stalling. On ES it's going up. On NQ it's kind of stalling. So I'm gonna give it a chance here on NASDAQ, since I am trading NASDAQ and not the S&P. Let's see if I could get at least a break even. I might just close it out and be like, all right, take the loss. Just take the loss. I'll come back tomorrow when there's some freaking momentum, because right now there's absolutely no momentum on the lower time frames. And I don't like to be short on a bullish pin bar on the 4-hour and freaking 15-minute. I think yeah, look at this. There's a pump here, pump, you know. I should have gone long right here when this candle closed at 11 o'clock candle. Yeah, that should have been the long right there. It might pop on me. It might not. We'll see. I hope it pops down. I hope it pops down. Well, the only reason that I'm saying is because it is a range market. So I'm figuring a reversal trade. It's a reversal orb strategy. So if it's ranging inside the orb and it likes to go back into the orb and hang around VWAP, I'll take a short to VWAP. You know what I mean? So that's not a complete off my model. I have tested that before, but you're right. You're right, Donald. It is not something I normally do, but this is an eval on Apex. I'm just taking a little higher risk on this account, not on the Lucid account, because that one obviously cost a little bit more. This one costs 20 bucks. But yeah, we'll see which way this really wants to go. If it wants to go higher, then, you know, whatever. We'll let it take me out. I'll close out too right there. But I think it's gonna chop around. Maybe do a bull flag. come like down and then up. So I'll move to break even. I'll move to break even pretty quick if this goes into profit. We'll see. We shall see. All right. Let's see, Donald. Let's see what happens. It is an eval. It is choppy. It is rangy. It might want to come down to retest VWAP. It might pop. It might not. There hasn't been real momentum other than this little move here. And I feel like it wants to do a pullback now. I feel like it wants to do some sort of pullback right now. But I promise, this is the last trade. This is the last trade. The other one, obviously, I'm going to just take the loss on the chin there. And it is what it is. I'll take the loss or the win on this, whatever happens. But yeah, this one's a loss for today. And nothing. We're just going to keep grinding that one out. Keep getting cooked, man. The market's been trash. Last week was bad. Today, obviously, shit just ranged on me, chopped me out. So I'm trading the range. That's why I went reverse orb strategy on this, since it is ranging. I figured it's gonna go back into the range, and here it is. Here it is. Are we gonna get the dump? Are we gonna get the dump? All right, come on. I'll move it to break even if it dumps, guys, because I really don't care to be in the trade anymore. Come on. Come on. Break out. Break down. Break down. Break down. Break down. Hold up. Hold up. Let me zoom in here, man. Let me get in here. Come on. Break lower. At least up to like right here. And it might dump. That's the crazy part. I'll probably be in this trade and then it dumps all the way down and whatever. Come on. What's this thing doing? Oh, Lord. All right. Well, I'll tell you what. I'll move that there. We could close 2 out, and if it comes up and takes me out, then whatever. So we'll leave 1 runner. Fair enough. Oh, wow. It's psych. It saw me move my stop loss. It saw me move it. Come on, man. What are you doing? Go lower. Just a little lower. Did it tap that low? No, right? Oh my God. What? Is it gonna flip green now? Yeah, this market's retarded right now. I just needed it to go like a little. Oh my God, dude. Now this thing goes to the fucking moon. What in the world? What in the world? Why? Oh my God. Is it gonna get up here now? I wouldn't be surprised. Look at freaking. Yeah. Wow. What a freaking reverse. What a reversal. Wow. I did tap this imbalance here, so. It did? No, it didn't. Yeah, I thought it was. I thought it was gonna tap it, but guess not. What is this market doing, man? Oh my goodness. Oh man, I just want to turn the charts off at this point. This is so annoying. Super annoying at this point. What is going on here? I'll close 2 out if it goes above this because, you know, I don't. This thing wants to go higher then. It's possible. You're right. You're right, Donald. It's possible. I do use fair value gaps, but I mean, I use more inversions than anything. For me, the gaps are just imbalances that want to be filled. Sometimes it bounces off them, and I get what you're saying. But right now, it's just a really choppy market, so it honestly could go either way. It could go either way at this point. This market is just doing whatever it wants. There's no real direction. Overall, in the higher time frames, it wants to go lower. But on this lower time frame here, look at this. Look at this. It went right back down and doji, guys. Wow. I was like, you know what? If it goes above these wicks here, I don't want to be in the trade anymore. So if it does get down here, I'm going to at least take 2 off right about here. If it could get down there. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Do something everybody least expects. Is this it? If this shit goes right back up, I'm gonna lose it. Oh my god. Just dump it. A little bit. What in the world is this? Oh my god, dude. Yeah, whatever. Let's see. Yeah, it's just chopping here. It's literally a freaking chop fest at the top of the orb. It's not reversing, it's not popping, it's not doing anything yet. This is crazy. It's having a heart attack. This market's having a freaking heart attack right now. It's such a struggle. So definitely chopping. It's confusing. Yeah, man. I don't know what to tell you. Like, this is just the kind of market that if you take a loss, just get off the charts. I'm only doing this with this eval with Apex because obviously I don't really care too much about it. It is important to me. Don't get me twisted. I do care about it, but I take riskier trades on it. But this right here, come on. 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 A little lower. Okay. Break even on 2 there. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. All right. We have one little runner then. I'm going to lock in more. Shit. Lock in more.
Order filled.
All right, we have that. I'm gonna move this to break even. $3. So if it doesn't want to go down and it chops right back up again, we're done. Woo! What a mission, guys. What a mission on this chop. So I took 2 out of the 3 out. Close that out right there. We're gonna leave this runner, see where it goes. Is it gonna go to 120? I don't know. Is it gonna come all the way back down? Is it gonna come fill this imbalance down here? Can you imagine it dumps all the way down there? It's out of nowhere. Trump tweets, and it just goes boom, straight down. Let's go. Let's go. It'll auto trail at 40 points. So you start hearing cha-ching if it does go lower. All right, so it just filled that imbalance on the 5-minute time frame. Is it going to inverse that imbalance? That's the question. If it does a 5-minute inversion, dude, it definitely wants to touch VWAP. We're going to have to see what it does there. But this thing is dumping hard. Yeah, I mean, this is why I did the reverse orb strategy, guys. And that was only because it was ranging for so long inside the orb that I figured when it broke out, it was going to be a false breakout and come right back into the range. And that was my strategy of why I took the reverse. I took a short on the breakout to the upside. And you're probably like, what the hell, David? Another confluence of why I don't think it was going to go higher is because we have VWAP above us on ES. So I'm like, you know, if it really does want to go higher, it has to break ES VWAP too. So look at this shit. This shit is dumping now. Are we almost out of the hole? Because I'll close it out if we're almost, I'm like 40 bucks. Negative 40 bucks. Let's see. Oh. If it turns green, I'm out. I'm gonna put a little bit more profit. Take a little, $5. Oh no, is it gonna come back up? Is it gonna come back up? Don't do it, NASDAQ. Keep dumping. Keep dumping. Don't mess with them. At least one trade worked out. We did one trade. We had to hang on for dear life on this one, but you know, you guys could take profit here because it might bounce at EMA 200 and EMA 50 here. I'm putting my stop at $5 just to see where it goes. Honestly, I don't care if I end the day with a loss, but we'll see what happens. We'll see what it really wants to do. It would have to erase this complete imbalance right here, which is possible. It could, or you could just dump more. Let's go. Dump to VWAP. There's a little imbalance right here where my crosshairs is. Let's see if it fills that. Thank you guys for watching again. I appreciate you guys watching the losses, the wins. Hit that like button. Go subscribe if you haven't already on TikTok. Oh, it looks like it's going back up. Nobody could get a clean move here, man. I'm telling you, nobody could get a look at this. We're at 159. Let's go. Appreciate the subscriber. I appreciate you. Thank you. I do appreciate it. We're almost at 160. Let's go, guys. Let's get 100,000 and be the biggest channel, guys. If we become the biggest channel on YouTube, people will be like, how'd you do it? Well, funny story about that. You see, I got people from TikTok and funneled them into YouTube. And now we have hundreds of thousands of people. People will be like, this guy broke the system. I need to start trading at nighttime. During Asia session, I think I'll get more subscribers and definitely a lot more people watching on TikTok. And I'll switch it vertical, like how all the other people trade, because I have it obviously landscape right here because I want to show you guys both screens. I can't show you both screens if I do it the other way. Yeah, this might want to reverse and go back up and fill the rest of the imbalance, maybe. Or it could dump. It might bounce here at either EMA 200 and EMA 50, or what? Actually, EMA 221 is also there. Or it could just be a slight little pullback and continue to dump lower. Let's see. Let's see what it does. Oh, this is pretty. This is looking very pretty. Let's dump it. Come on. At least get me back in the green on this account, man. I'm down 30 bucks. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'll hit the close button real quick. Thank you for the subscription, guys. It's free. You can catch me there Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. Trading the NASDAQ. Watching the S&P 500. Down 30 bucks. Should I tighten up? Should I tighten up? Oh man, this thing's gonna dump. Dump it, dump it, dump it. We're almost out the hole, guys. Look at that. We're almost out the hole. Should I put TP at VWAP? I think that'll be out the hole for sure. OMG, we're almost out. Let's get tight here.
Stop filled.
Oh my God. I closed it. I got just real right here at VWAP. I don't want it to freaking bounce on my ass. Whatever. We're only down $8 on that account now. So I'm not, $8 ain't nothing. That's nothing. But 120 on this account. So took one loss, took one win. I kind of explained to you why I took the short instead of the long, instead of on the breakout. It's because it's ranging, guys. So price likes to consolidate, right? When price is consolidating, it likes to go back into the same range just to, figure out what it wants to do. It's called price discovery. So it's trying to figure out what price it really wants to be. So it's going to consolidate. It wants to it breaks back into the range. It likes to be where price used to be, and it likes these. So that's how pivot points are actually calculated. It's where price would have a lot of resistance and hang out a lot, and so this eventually would become a pivot point area in the future. When it calculates, it's gonna be like, oh, price like to bounce around here, so it'll probably turn into a pivot point. But yeah, I mean, you guys saw the reverse orb strategy today, and I hope I explained it as best as I could of why I took the short instead of the long here. Not because Black Wall Street said so, just so you guys know. It was a swing high. It was ranging. Obviously, I knew it's ranging because it didn't continue to the downside. This was a beautiful short here. Retest off VWAP, and it didn't continue. It chopped me out. And then I knew from looking at ES that VWAP was here. It would have to shatter through EMA 21, VWAP on ES, and EMA 50 to continue going higher. I thought it was going to continue going lower because if you look at the overall trend on ES, it's going down. So I said, okay, this is a reverse strategy here to the downside, and I just needed a few points. I honestly just wanted a TP to VWAP, because at VWAP, look how we're getting a nasty rejection. It did go a little lower, and now we're getting a pop to the upside. So I just wanted a little scalp from the breakout to VWAP retest, and I'm good with that. That's why I moved real quick just to trail it, and I'm good with that. I'm good with that. So we're down on a Monday, man. It sucks. Down to $8 on this one, and 123. We'll try to get this back tomorrow. That's all we can do. Still need now I need like about 2,000 on this Lucid account. I'm losing freaking trailing drawdown. I have about 1,500 trail down. I have 2,490 on this one, so we're still good there. But I care more about this one. Market's just been freaking chopping me out or doing crazy shit. I don't know what to tell you guys. Anyways, I appreciate you guys for watching Trading with David 305. Make sure you go subscribe to my YouTube channel, which I currently have 159 Thank you guys for subscribing off TikTok and whoever else subscribed. I appreciate it. Make sure to go watch my videos. You can see my strategy that I take Monday through Friday. And yeah, guys, if you're red for the day or green for the day, make sure to just turn the computer off. Don't go until tomorrow's another day. We'll figure it out. All right, guys. Thank you again. Thank you guys for subscribing. Let's see if we can get to 160 tomorrow if we don't get there today. And let's see what happens. Let's see what happens with this orb strategy. Well, another thing I wanted to tell you guys, this orb is from Friday. This is the same orb from Friday. I have it marked out on my 15 here. This here was from Friday. So look at that. It broke out of orb today, and it didn't break out, like it barely broke out of the orb from Friday. So just another confluence I had there. A lot of different things I'm looking at, so you guys know. But anyways, guys, have a great Monday. I'll see you guys tomorrow, 9 a.m. Thank you again. Make sure to tune in and follow on TikTok if you don't have YouTube. And thank you again. Have a great Monday. Take it easy, guys.